Hey guys, welcome back. So our problem for today is 2 over 14 times 2 over 4. And this is just a basic case of multiplying fractions together. So the easiest way to do this, and the best way I can explain this to you, is what you need to do is simplify both of these fractions and then multiply them together to get your answer. So first, you need to simplify 2 over 14. To simplify, you need to find a greatest common factor, or a GCF. A GCF is basically a number that can be divided by both of these and you get a even number. So basically, it's a number that can go into both of these and it is the largest number. So take some time to think this through, but it should be pretty easy because the only factors of 2 are 2 and 1. And so we know that 1 can go into 14 and 2 can go into 14, but which one is greater? Obviously 2 is greater than 1. So we have 2 as our GCF. And what we need to do is divide this number by the GCF. So 2 divided by 2, and then 14 divided by 2, and then you get 1 over 7, and that's our simplified fraction for this one. Now we need to move on to this one. So we have 2 over 4. And so we need to do the same thing. We need to divide both of these numbers by the greatest common factor. And so what would the greatest common factor of both of these numbers be? I'll give you a couple seconds to figure that out. Okay, so the greatest common factor of both of these is 2, because 2 divided by the greatest common factor 2 is equal to 1. And the 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Usually you're done simplifying whenever you have a 1 on top. That's just a good rule of thumb to play, if you have a 1 on top and a whole number down below. So now we have 1 over 7 and 1 over 2. Now all we need to do is just multiply these two together. So 1 over 7 times 1 over 2. So now we just need to multiply these together. And multiplying fractions is really quite easy. So you're just going to multiply straight across. So 1 times 1, and then 7 times 2. So 1 times 1 is 1. And then 7 times 2 is 14. And that is our answer, 1 over 14.